Hey y'all, today I'm going to do the Mugen sports pedals. I was looking for a set of RX pedals for the car and I just can't find them, so Mugen ones are going to have to do. Just the regular stock ones in there now. They're okay. They're just kind of worn and old looking. I would need to get a plate or something for that dead pedal over there as well. So I've watched a couple videos on these things and everybody's kind of got a different way of doing it. Reading through the instructions though, this is the one that it wants me to follow, which is basically just using these screws and these plates on the top and the bottom of the pedal. So with the EK, we're doing B, so it's going to use specific holes based on the chassis that you're installing them on. So I shouldn't have to do any kind of screwing or drilling with anything like that, and then using self-tappers that they provide. It should just be this one with the little plates. Clutch and the brake are really easy, so there's a small lip on the bottom that goes on the bottom of the pedal and it just folds over, and then the bracket just attaches with these little nuts or bolts that go in. So I'll probably get the little rubber pieces off the pedals first and then just get these on real quick. Shouldn't take too long to do those. Okay, so you'll have to excuse this little light, but I got it in. These two were pretty easy. You just want to hook the bottom and then get the top bracket on up there, and then you'll kind of like shimmy it down a little bit before you press on the double-sided tape. And they both went on pretty good. They feel pretty good. This one, the top bracket, let's see, up there, fits great. I guess the pedal's a little bit skinnier up there, but this bottom bracket does not fit at all. So you can see 2 screws in there. I tried to make it even, do this one on the bottom left, but for some reason the screw just would not catch whatever's in there. So I've got 2 screws in there, but they look great. I'm excited to test these out. Probably going to be much better than the rubber that's in there. This is like a grippy material. It's going to be pretty cool.